actually studying guide from the past 2 years, and 8th, 9th, and also in 10th. There were 3 years actually. And it has been a very good experience over here. The teachers are very helpful here. I took mostly my guidance for science, and Nupa ma'am has been there through all out my experience and through all out my academic session where I took, had science as my subject. And because of her, I was able to achieve the marks that I actually wished for, which was 94, 93. I wished for more, but still, her guidance and her help helped me through a lot. And there was also Naina ma'am who helped me, and Neha ma'am, and obviously all of our other mentors who actually made the environment study more enjoyable and also stress free during the exams. And my mother was also there to help me through it.